How to fix app not opening on Android. Firstly, restart your phone. Restarting your phone sounds simple, but it fixes most app launch problems. Then go ahead and open settings on your device. Now scroll down and look for the option Apps and click on it. Inside Apps, look for the app that's not working and click on it. Now on the very bottom panel, you will see the option Force Stop. Click on Force Stop and select the option OK. After this, go back to your home page and open the app. You can also try to clear your cache. Under the section Usage, you will see the option Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Now again, go back and try opening the app. If it's still not working, then look for any updates that may be available. Go to Play Store and search for the app. Now I'm just taking this app as an example. Look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app, and if there are updates available, then update it. Also, check for any Android system updates. Open Settings and scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom section, you should see the option Software Update. Click on that and look for any updates that may be available for your system. That's all for today. Thank you.